we want to say we were terribly taken aback and shocked by the utterances of our two members of parliament, Mheshimiwa Ngeno and Mheshimiwa Sudi. That is not the character of leadership. And we were terribly surprised, shocked, and we really didn't expect that to come from them. We know that, for example, Johanna Ngeno has not come in any close contact with the Kenyatta family. He is not close, or he has not met even Uhuru Kenyatta, other than being a member of parliament in a long list of MPs. He has no personal interaction, and therefore we never suspected that there could be any antipathy towards the head of state, other than the normal political differences that may arise. But we were shocked when he went beyond that and even hit at the first family. Mama Ngina Kenyatta was the first lady of this republic in 1963. Highly respected, and she has never participated in public affairs in a manner that can make anyone feel she has overdone anything. So we were terribly shocked when she was tagged. The first president of the Republic of Kenya is respected. We honor him, and we have no issues as a community against Uhuru Kenyatta, against Jomo Kenyatta. Jomo Kenyatta is highly revered as the first president of this republic, and we were terribly shocked, and we felt ashamed that one of our leaders commented on him in bad light. And we have been trying to ask our members of parliament to avoid these abuses, because we have noted these abuses for the last several months, close to a year now. And the first time Sudi did that, when we were at, burying one of the children of the late Kipkalia Connors, I cautioned them against such utterances, and that differing in politics is a healthy exercise, it's a democratic principle. But abusing one another is not one of the issues in democratic discourse. We expect people to differ, even as we've differed with a number of Kenyan leaders, but I've never abused any one of them. It's wrong, and we want to caution the Kalenjin leaders, our own MPs and others, to avoid abusing national leaders, avoid abusing senior citizens and leaders from other communities. As a community, we want peace, and we want to continue to contribute to peace in this republic and the development of a republic that is a member of the civilized committee of nations. We do not expect to go back to the dark ages when communities used to fight. That is a thing of the past. We are one nation. We now have a president. We will do elections in 2022, and whoever Kenyans will elect in 2022, we expect peace to continue. And that is why we have continued to laud the idea of whoever wins should have a cordial working relationship with the runners-up. We apologize to the family of Uhuru Kenyatta. We specifically apologize to Mama Ngina Kenyatta for these terrible utterances from a member of our society, a close friend of ours. We've done politics together, and the Kikuyu, whom we live, we even have no boundary with the Kikuyus. We have lived up to all the way almost to Nyeri, and they are living all the way to Kericho. We want peace. We are not going to back to the dark ages when communities used to have little clashes. We don't want that nonsense. And we apologize for the insults that have been hurled at leaders and other communities. We just want to live in peace.